Good morning. Day 2, and we have made ourselves a little fort. We did. We just got all the little things set up and got lots of shade. And we are gonna have another beautiful day on the beach. Just having some fun. Come on. I'm going to attempt using my snorkel today. I want you to know I have a snorkel since I went to Hawaii when I was like 23 years old. Ooh, look, fishies. I'm sorry, I saw fish. There have been a lot of fish out here today, and I also want to find a shell. Really want to find a shell. Well, let's see what we can find.
I said, just before you went under, I was peeing. I hope you got that.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Oh, man.
I was filming myself. I'm just gonna go over this way a little bit.
Hey, it's already gone. So, Jana, just for the record, out here is where this is where you go potty.
Apparently, I didn't understand that you pee in the water and not on the beach.
No! Who does that, Jana?
I didn't know. I was like, how come they haven't gone in anywhere all day?
You were sick. You didn't pee enough yesterday. Too many toxins. Too many toxins.
I didn't let it out, did I?
There's some seaweed.
You know what? Oh, that's pretty seaweed. Look at it.
I say it's cute and tasty.
Look at it.
It doesn't smell bad. And if you boil it in chicken broth, it tastes good.
Tastes great, right? It's like a tumbleweed, but in the ocean.
Like a tumbleweed.
It's like an ocean tumbleweed.
That's a girl who grew up in Texas, right?
That is a Texas girl. We know what tumbleweeds are.
That's a Texas girl.
Yeah.
That's like a
Am I gonna have to separate you two?
We'll take you down, girl.
So that wasn't tight enough. Wasn't sealed. Went up my nose. Burns a little bit. You know, it's saline. It's fine. It cleans everything out, right? Sea plankton in my nose. She found a little tiny crab. Where did you get him?
My dad got him for me.
Oh my gosh. And you're finding shells? How are you finding shells? Because I collect a shell everywhere I go. How are you finding shells?
I found him all the way over there, and I just kept looking, and my dad found this sand dollar.
You found a sand dollar?
I have.
Oh my gosh, you did. Are you like digging in the sand and kind of shuffling the sand off? Every beach I go to, I get a shell. You are such a cutie pie.
You say hi?
Dana's famous ramen noodle vegetable salad. It is delicious. And I found some kids who are looking for shells for me. I found one, but I love to take shells home from every beach vacation I ever do, which is usually Galveston only. So this is exciting to have other shells. Can't wait to go to Hawaii next year and get shells off Hawaii Beach. Following Ann because she saw big dark spots in the water. Or no, it's algae? Oh. Well, at least we can see what it looks like underwater. Wow, those are big spots of algae. I was hoping it was like manta rays or something.
I know.
Oh, that's what you're throwing at? I'll take some back to Dana. So innocent. So innocent. She looks so innocent. She keeps throwing it on me and Dana and Amber. The funny thing is, I don't care. I think it's awesome. It's just algae. Look, she was ready. She was ready. Didn't even phase her.
Yeah, girl.
She knew the Fraser, so it didn't phase her.
Knew the Fraser, so I
Didn't phase her. There's my seashell girl. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's the littlest shell I've ever seen. It's so small, little baby shell. You go for it, girl. That is a sweet little tiny shell. It's gonna get lost in the rest of my seashell collection, but that's okay because I'll know it's there. And Mackenzie helped me find it. She's been finding me shells all day. I'm gonna go put that one in my bag before I lose it.
Lock arms.
All right, got it. What am I doing?
You're
You're
getting
gonna
up
jump
here,
up
we're gonna
and
launch your ass.
you're gonna jump. This is gonna be epic. So what am I doing? Here?
Yeah, we'll go up here.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yes, you can. We gotta go deeper. We gotta go deeper. You can totally do it. You can totally do it. And if your pants come down, don't freak out.
You can do it.
The whole thing.
You can do it.
Your pants up.
Otherwise, you're gonna
Monkey airplane soldier.
What does that mean?
You lay on your back and this is how you it's your backstroke.
Monkey?
Monkey airplane soldier.
Okay. I was like, what's
You
happening?
know, for enemy, you gotta keep it elementary. Say it loud.
Monkey airplane soldier.
These are our special friends.
Oh, friends. So special.
They're so special. And we love them so much.
You know it's your way out here.
That's right.
Woo! It's code.
It's cold.
I keep thinking something's touching me, but it's my own bra straps or my own.
yeah,
it's my
yeah.
own swimsuit straps. Freaking me out. Blech. Monkey swim. Monkey airplane soldier.
Monkey airplane soldier. It's definitely cooler out here.
Oh, like by a
Wow.
sorry, by a mile. Oh wow, that feels great. Oh, I'm not gonna complain. Not complaining. Not complaining.
Oh.
Nope.
Wow, it's so refreshing.
It is refreshing.
Monkey airplane soldier. Airplane. You learned nothing. You learned that.
That's right.
Hey friends.
Okay, monkey airplane soldier.
Oh, it worked.
It worked. Hello.
That's where I'm going.
To the monkey airplane soldier.
I'm just gonna be nice.
Oh, and
Look at this. Look at this maniac. She's a freaking maniac. Okay, you ready? You gotta swallow it. Salad.
salad. She's got to eat it. That's what. I told her I'd buy her a drink if she did it, and she's doing it. How was it?
Doesn't really have a taste. It's mostly roughage. Just roughage.
She actually ate it. My friends are special.
Well, they are special.
I love them.
Ed.
Amber! Dana ate seaweed.
She ate it on film.
She ate the seaweed.
It's not bad.
Now I feel like we need to all experience
We
it.
need to all experience it.
All right. Okay.
And it doesn't even have a bad aftertaste.
This isn't bad, by the way.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
And it
It's a little
doesn't,
crunchy.
and it doesn't leave a bad aftertaste.
Yeah. Tastes like the ocean.
A little bit of roughage. A little bit of roughage.
Well, I mean, you can eat it, so they cook it in meals. So
Yeah. Like I said, a little chicken broth, you wouldn't even know the difference.
I have never enjoyed the ocean so much in my life. Like being in it, even when I was scuba diving, because I get a little like claustrophobic when I scuba dive.
A lot.
And this is just like It's so clear and just floating as you want to. Sand under your feet is amazing. It's like sugar. It's just, that's the only thing I can think of to describe it. It's so hard for me to tear myself away from it. Look at all the fish. There's so many fish under here. Look. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it. Wow, okay. That is nothing. That's nice. She knocked my glasses with you. Oh. Whoa, it's those double ones that get you. That is some wavage. Oh. We're taking a little detour to Alvin's Island Tropical Department Store. Thought you guys would be interested in this. It's about a mile from us where we're staying. This place is cute. Let's go in and see what it's all about. I'm gonna go out here and check out the sunset. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so beautiful. I have to say, Florida sunset is not disappointing. How gorgeous is this? It looks kind of orange in the camera, but it is pink. Like all that is pink. It's been a great day. Really good day. Now we're just kicking back and watching The Proposal on TV and having a few snacks, some popcorn, ice cream, and relaxing. It's great. Wonderful end to a wonderful day. We've got one more day here and I'm gonna enjoy it. So I'm gonna go hang out with my girls. Thank you guys for joining us as always. And remember, sudden stops make the best adventures. There it is. What's your name? I'll put you on.